Right, it's ridiculous o'clock on a Saturday morning. I'm off to Birmingham to the NEC. This is the one day of the year I actually get to leave the workshop, and I'm going to Maker Central. Right, well, I got as far as the M1 and now there's been a collision apparently, so I'm now stuck in a traffic jam. Yeah, that's not good. I'm going to miss breakfast. Right, so it's just gone past 9 o'clock now. I've been driving for 3 hours. And I've not even got about a third of the way there. I got diverted off the M1 because of a collision, and now I have no idea where I am. Hopefully I'm going to rejoin the M1 in about 5 minutes. I've missed breakfast, definitely missed it. Oh well. Right, carry on. Right, it's 10 o'clock, I finally arrived. Just had a phone call from Rob from Weekend Shedhead. He's going to meet me in Spoons. They're still there eating. God, can you believe it? Right, let me get in.
have what is school across Birmingham? I don't wear clothes. I know where I put together. So it's going to come from full circle. I'm so uncomfortable. You should get wrong. I had this conversation with myself. Which is on the levels. It was really hard. So there's some speed. So it's really interesting to slow down our problems and then really scroll apps and settings and all sorts. And the other working with another thing, it's working cool. And the guys with the sledgehammer makes a miss here. He breaks the head off this axe like tool, sends it 20 feet across the workshop in my direction. We are a third of the way through, 10 minutes down, 20 minutes to go.
Do woodworking, but it does add that safety element that I believe personally is necessary, especially for those of you learning like me. So, and yeah, meeting people that need a saw stop has been an interesting start to the day without even mentioning it.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. The past couple of days, I was at a tool fair up in Harrogate yesterday as well. I met so many people then. Some of the old guys who had had an accident. I met one guy who came up to me and thanked me because we'd saved his finger 3 times already this year.
Right, so I've finally finished. I've just got back to the car park now. There's no cars left here because I've left it a bit late. I've had a fantastic day at Makers Central. It's been really good. I've met up with a lot of other YouTubers. I'll leave a list here of all the likely candidates that I've been hanging around with today. Check out all their channels. They're all fantastic guys. I will do this again next year because it's definitely worth doing. Right, thank you very much for watching. I hope you found that enjoyable, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.